Hi everyone, this is Arlene from A Crafty Latina, and today I'm going to unbox my Mini But Mighty Cricut Easy Press Mini. I have the first Cricut Easy Press, but I know that some people use it for infusible ink, but I want to start doing small projects and B more infusible ink projects. So I thought, let me just invest in this, and it's tiny and it's adorable and I really wanted it. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Let's see, get my scissors here. Just open the box. So I ordered it when it first came out, the first week, and this is the first time I'm actually opening it. And I ordered it from Michael's. They were having the launch sale, and it was great. So on the side, it says effortless heat transfers. There's 3 heat settings for iron-on and infusible ink projects, which is great. And yeah, specifically for hats and shoes and even stuffed animals. You know, a lot of us do that. So this was perfect because sometimes my larger Easy Press, it's just too much for my small little project. So I thought, let me just invest in this. It would be great. Now if I could figure out how to open this. Okay, it's at the bottom. Wow, this is like Fort Knox Easy Press. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to use. Of course, I'm going to use a Cricut blade just to cut this tape. Easy. Should have thought of that in the beginning. Let me get this out of the way because I am accident prone. So, oh my god, how cute. Seriously. Like, and red, it's my favorite color. This is, take out the packaging. This is the little mini Easy Press itself. Oh my god, I could just hold it in my hand. It is adorable. This is much lighter for those of you who have trouble picking up stuff. I do have like the beginning of like carpal tunnel, and my wrists are sometimes weak, but I think this is perfect for those little projects. It's so much lighter and easier to manage, and the bottom looks just like an iron, the same little shape as an iron. So stinking cute. And this is the base. So it's that same hard plastic base that's heat protectant for your Easy Press, and I guess it just goes in like this. You sit it down, it should just go in right here just to protect it. There. And this takes no space. Like, this is really the tiniest little thing. This will take absolutely no space in your craft room or wherever you're having wherever you do your crafts. So it comes with a quick instruction guide, just like one-sided. Get to know your Cricut Easy Press Mini. So the power heat settings. So it's the low, the medium, the high, and off on standby. So we have 2 little, I guess, little waves. When it's warming up, it'll look like that. And when it's reached its temperature, it'll be green. Then it just comes with the traditional safety instructions and the FCC statement and warranty. You know, don't work around the water. Make sure when you plug it in, it's in a stable environment. I don't know that there's anything else in this box. No, that is it. So I guess we will go to the Cricut site itself to find more instructions on exactly how to use it. But those are the heat settings. Comfortable handle, absolutely. I love that it has an auto off feature, because sometimes, you know, you're working on projects and you forget and you move on to the next thing and you just leave it plugged. It'll automatically turn itself off. My current Easy Press does that as well, which I love. Dry, even heat, precision tip. Yes, that's perfect for those little hard to reach corners or those little spots. I think that little angle right here, that's a game changer, because the Easy Press that I have is complete square. Actually, hold on, let me just bring that over here. So this is perfect for the little things. And the safety base. So that is it. Oh, when I see here, now I can see the squiggly lines here in the front. So when it's telling us the lights will come on, if it's low, it'll be 2 of them lit, the top 2. When it's the bottom one will be lit green when it's on low. 2 will light when you're on medium, and then 3 will light when you're on high setting. And I'm assuming this high setting, these 3 is for the infusible ink projects. And then when it's dark and black like this, that's completely off. I don't even have it plugged in. And then when it's warming up, it'll be like an amber glow. And then when it's reached its temperature, they'll turn green depending on what setting you have. It'll be 1, 2, or 3. So that is it. Highly recommend it. Oh my God, cutest little thing. But I think this is going to be a game changer for those small projects that you do. I'm actually going to do Christmas stockings in a minute with this, and I'll do the link below so that you can follow that as well. But here it is, the Cricut Easy Press Mini. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.